Australia's first full-time female supercars touring car racing driver has given up on her dream to race in IndyCar and NASCAR for a career as an adult entertainer. In a move that left many of her fans gobsmacked, Renee Gracie announced she quit her 7-year racing career after losing passion. The 25-year-old is now selling nude pictures and videos on an adult subscription website and is very unapologetic about her unusual career switch. "It has been the best thing I have done in my whole life," Gracie said in an exclusive interview with the Daily Telegraph. She started posting adult videos online last year and made $2,080 in her first week. Now, the former racing driver claims she makes up to $17,350 a week from her new career, as opposed to nothing during 7 years of racing. Gracie, who in 2015 partnered Simona de Silvestro in a Ford FGX Falcon run by ProDrive Racing Australia in the Bathurst 1000, says she wasn't getting the results she wanted in the Supercars Championship and couldn't get funding. "I tried to do my best, but it got to a point where my dream vanished," she said, adding that her father is on board with the career move. Understandably, the Supercars Championship was not that thrilled to hear the news. Supercars is aware of the article regarding former Super 2 driver Renee Gracie. As Ms. Gracie is no longer competing in Super 2, Supercars will not be commenting further, a series spokesman said.